So now you've got one chlorine, and chlorine is in group 14, which means it's going to contribute 4 valence electrons. Okay? Now, you also have chlorine, and you have 4 of those, but each chlorine is going to contribute 7 valence electrons. Now, 1 times 4, of course, is 4. And then 4 times 7, of course, is 28. And then you add those together and you get 32 valence electrons. Yes, Jamie, we're going to go over chemical equations next. That's the second topic we're going to go over. Yep. So now I am going to put the element that is the most electronegative between these right here. So as you can see, we have carbon and we have chlorine. The one that is the most electronegative goes in the middle. In this case, it's going to be carbon. So we're going to put carbon right here in the middle with 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, okay? 4 dots, aka 4 valence electrons. Now, we're going to next put chlorine on the left side, each of those chlorines. So here comes the first chlorine with 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you all see that, right? That's 7. Here comes the next one. Here's chlorine with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The third chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the last chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now, as you can see here, okay,